Okay, here we go. Finally back on the charts. It's Thursday the second. This is gonna be the last trading day of the week for me. I actually did not trade on Tuesday. I was on the charts, but I didn't take any trades because the market just basically went. Wait, was this Tuesday? Where was Tuesday? This was Tuesday. This there. Wait, was this Tuesday? Yeah, this was Tuesday. The market went up and up and up, and there was basically no retraces. This was a retrace. I actually could have taken something here, but I didn't really like the entry, so never ended up taking anything there. Yesterday I was break even on the day, and then today, coming in the day, obviously on Monday I had that really A plus short. That's been the best trade all week, and Monday has actually been the best price action all week too. Today I took one trade and it was a break even. Really unfortunate break even today. I was coming into the day. I was actually range bound bias today for a couple reasons. Number one, we were in positive gamma. Number two, if I was looking at like the 30-day volume profile, this is not the 30-day. This is just the weekly. But on the 30-day, we were like at value area high, so I was expecting like a range to bearish, basically. Um, so that was kind of the idea for the bias. I kind of wanted to see just what happened because I wasn't really too sure on direction for today, like pre-market. But again, range to bearish was kind of my thought process. So I was just sitting out of this market open because there was just a lot of chop here. There was not so this long honestly was not too bad. I didn't take it because it just wasn't that clear to me. Like we had a bearish CVD, even though this like looks good. I think VWAP was around here as well, if I'm not mistaken. So it looks good, but it's like I don't know. I just wanted something that was really clear, you know. So I was just waiting, and this long would have ended up working out. Obviously, would have taken profits up at this previous day value area high, which does end up getting hit. Now um, here I'm starting to look for shorts because I'm gonna put VWAP on here. I'm starting to look for shorts because I do want to take short. I want mean reversion today. Again, range to bearish. So I'm looking for shorts. And here we are. A couple things are sticking out to me. Number one, I thought we actually hit this level. Did we not hit this level? Either way, I don't. I think we do end up hitting this, don't we? Yeah, we end up hitting it. So, couple things. Yeah, number one, we're at value area high for previous day. And then the other thing is I have the gamma levels over here. So the call wall is right here. And this was like a really good alignment of the call wall with previous day value area high. So this is a great spot to short from. And I'm looking for a reversion towards VWAP basically. So I get my entry pretty soon after this. Just looking for an inverse fair value. I didn't. There wasn't any absorption. There wasn't any CBD divergence here. But I took this based on like mainly based on the key levels and gamma regime. And this is like a C trade. Like I put this as a C trade in my journal because we really don't have any confluences here like on the lower time frame. But this is where I got my entry. I didn't get the greatest fill. And I was targeting a okay, there's no way I was targeting that. Bruh. What's going on? Is this actually where the previous day value area low was? Oh, my levels are always so fucked, bro. Okay, I swear this was not where it was. I feel like it was higher up. Dude, I don't know why, like, whenever I replay the data, like, my previous day levels are just so fucked, bro. It doesn't really matter anyway because this trade gets stopped at break even. But it. Oh yeah, this was where it was. Okay. So this is really unfortunate. Look at this. So this gets within literally a couple points, and then or a couple ticks even, and then just gets stopped at break even. So I was break even at this low, obviously. Really good trade. The market ended up just dumping from here. I was really happy with this trade. We did end up hitting VWAP. This was like kind of my idea was I wanted to target VWAP, and then we actually at this point we had passed the gamma flip level. And something I need to I think improve on is making a playbook for this kind of day because these kinds of moves like they're actually really predictable when you understand that like at this point the gamma flip point is right here and we don't have this every day obviously but like the gamma flip point was right here and like when we pass it we just start to rip down like there is no stopping us once we pass that. So I don't know. I think I need to make a playbook for that. I like my setup, obviously, and I liked this trade. I really did like this trade. It was unfortunate that it got stopped out. It was actually really unlucky that this got stopped out. I don't really know why it got stopped out. There, like I was looking for a good take profit in here, and there wasn't even any like low volume nodes in here that like made sense for a take profit. Like maybe this, I don't know. But I thought this was a really good trade. Unfortunately, it was a break even. And that's really all you can do. So, I mean, that's pretty much the week for me. Monday obviously was the best trade. I took I think like a 1 to 2 on Monday. And then no trades Tuesday, break even yesterday, and then break even today. So, up very slightly on the week. I mean, decent week. I didn't really think there was that much opportunity in the markets this week, but decent week. For 4th of July weekend. So hopefully next week there will be some more opportunity coming up.